Part 1. I was babysitting my 8-year-old nephew, Leo, on a stormy Sunday evening while my sister was out of town. We were sitting by the fireplace watching cartoons when both of our phones simultaneously blared with the terrifying, shrill screech of an emergency broadcast system alarm. I unlocked my screen with a trembling thumb. The alert banner read, Amber Alert. Missing child, 8-year-old Caucasian male, blue jeans, soaked yellow raincoat. Last seen near Cedar Creek Bridge. My stomach dropped through the floorboards. I slowly raised my eyes toward the rug. Leo was sitting cross-legged on the carpet, staring blankly into the unlit fireplace, wearing soaked blue jeans and a dripping yellow raincoat.